Hello everyone. Today we learn word problems. We will count, add, and find the total. Are you ready? Let's begin. Look at the ducks. There are ducks on the ground and ducks in the pond. Let's count the ducks on the ground. 1, 2, 3. Now count the ducks in the pond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 3 ducks on the ground and 5 ducks in the pond. Write the numbers 3 and 5. So how many ducks are there in total? 3 plus 5 is 8. There are 8 ducks in total. Great! Now let's learn the question we use in word problems.
Listen and repeat.
How many ducks are there in total?
3 plus 5 is 8. There are 8 ducks in total.
How many ducks are there in total?
3 plus 5 is 8. There are 8 ducks in total.
Listen. How many ducks are there in total? Repeat after me. How many ducks are there in total? And the answer is 3 plus 5 is 8. There are 8 ducks in total. Repeat after me. There are 8 ducks in total. Good. Now let's practice with candy and biscuits.
1. Listen and tick.
Listen and tick the correct answer.
1,
1 plus 1 is 2. There are 2 candies in total.
2,
3 plus 1 is 4. There are 4 biscuits in total.
2. Play and say.
Look at the crayons. 2 crayons and 3 more. 2 plus 3 is 5. Say it with me. There are 5 crayons in total. Nice job! Now let's use leaves to make animals.
Create animals. Then write.
Look at the leaves. We can use leaves to make an animal. Let's count the leaves to make a bird. 1, 2. Let's count the leaves to make a fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many leaves in total? 2 plus 5 is 7. There are 7 leaves in total. Write your answer. Great work today. You learned how to count parts, add them, and find the total. If you enjoyed this lesson, remember to like and subscribe for more English videos. See you next time!